So to start, I'm going to put on some texture paste. I'm going to do another Seascape modern, in a modern style. So let's put on some texture paste. I don't want it too, no, put some in where I want, oops, where the mountains are going to be. I've just done a rough outline of where I want the mountains to be. Now, if I find the texture is too thick, I can just either sand it down before I start painting, or I can just add a bit of paint and then acrylic paint, and then move that. Add a bit of paint and then scrape it off with a palette knife. Nice bit of texture. Right. So I'm going to start with a nice dark green, and I made that by using ultramarine black and cadmium. Put some cream in there. Cadmium yellow. Now I want a lightish green. Because I'm going to put a dark over the top and then scratch into it, you see. Right. Let that dry. Now. there we are. A gentle summer's day in Scotland by the loch, with a little bit of mist. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall. See you next time.